Okay, this is the Panasonic Cordless phone. This is the main set, and as you can see in the pictures that I took, there are 4 phones. You can always add on and extend. So I work from home. I have one in my bedroom, one at my desk, one in the kitchen, and this is my main one. And as you can see, it's got large buttons, lights up, has a big display screen. You can actually pair it to your cell phone, and you see the call block on there. I like the idea that you can pair it. You can also do speakerphone, and you can also connect it to a headset. It also takes voice messages. I let it charge all night so I could show you. Bluetooth enabled, as you can tell. But yes, this is a really cool phone for the price. This is a great value, and again, this came with 4 phones. This is the primary right here, and you can always add more. Hope this helps. Thanks.